are in another video. We're gonna be doing nothing basically. We're about to go to the computer lab and
do something.
Okay.
That's boring if you do nothing, basically.
Let's play Geometry Dash and see how that works. Glitch. I have really been having a hard time trying to be dry out. What was that? You don't have a gun. That's Ethan. Hey, I finally found your mama's natural sound. Exactly. No! Pizza, pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. What is that? Dude, what's your name? What's your name?
Dr. Awesomeness.
Soundboard. Okay. When that new kid come in your class? What? You distracted me! No. No. No, I'm.